frɛ wadamfo bi na ka kyerɛ ne sa setena wo mu de kyese ne having difference bi anim na wadada no ono susu ba beduru ho no mo a na kyese waba bekam eno ene ade a ekoso sese e Ghana mema se ya Ghana Immigration Service mpanimfo wo bono mantem kyerɛ sɛ somo esese a Ghana fo bebra hanu na akwakodin senseme wa Ivory Coast abonten so a wuntimi nsekyere nkyerɛ sɛ bi omugu Ivory Coast kro we so ana sɛ bi omugu brono we so ayedene pa e de amawu no pani e de sanseme tujawabra na one Sompa FM nsamtwefo di nkomo e osunya abonten so
Kofodi ya moyo edumom from Okemet Messi amofo Ghana for the eduma in terms of appointment to the eduma of France, Portugal and Dubai. Now the guy say do the team here better so Sompa. Na nkutaidia ni omudi ni so ba nkofo eni omudi nkomo etacho mo say eduma ewo Dubai France ne Portugal na kwa mo fa so ko no odi le boa o eno mo fa Abidjan ko ena de wi no say wo wa ajo say wo gu sa de ni ti enye ye ma won ku fia omo mpene ma won ko ombe ka wa shewa tete wa ibi le jani di bo o ti kawa sebe mama aduane kwaye ma be wan o ida se obetia tie na na ma yo meduma na mo yo no mo tun sa no so na mo dada nkofo o mu abuchi na ma ko twa picture to Abidjan ku de bi efe na ma se sentare to se bi mo na amanone sin Germany papa bi na ma tete e de ma ko office maybe air condition bo so chair maybe a wo film twa picture that media no se down to this building wakati tu nipacha wale chao pana na omuso mbe yede kana kodi bua for company for na bedan boda no enya nkitaho ma omuso so atwa report akọ yeso
Abuzafo ntikionet fo no atwea ne azane ntrekese etwe amanfo makogu Ivory Coast abonten so no na Ghana Immigration Service mpedifo hu na kire a enei entoto a wono yede agisa de hye no asaso abana openi na ya boache eboboso kakra ede akire ye no yefamo enko Ghana Mrasbega fiem enra esum eduru eye Ghana Mrasbega fo ni nyina ementete ebeto Sompa FM nsamtwefa pono so kire se ye Mrasbega fo ni binom kra ko ka lift mu a enyenya me ne fefie ena kofa fiche kakra bia nkene enkapna se nkombe ombobobna ma mie se papo se ho ahwan gye na akwakọ ya rehosem ne nyina eye ECG for kwa ena omukokotwa wo nkane mu se ohwe eye parliament for ka omo ede ECG for mpimanim yese ne number 23 million Ghana cedis na kese 230 billion light bill wo muntua efrinfie bebreni ena kese ECG for ko yo mukotwa wo nkane mu na omukọ yeso no na omu din komodi afama mpeni state of the nation address no de kokotu dwa no eno ho adwendwene a ena namra sega fo na adwendwene a ECG fo kutwa o munkanem no peni mpo wesi kasem so o parliament deputy clerk o peni Eric Usumensa chese light bill de omatu ade dada na wa oni to ECG fo yi utua kra yese ai na reflect eni ehu still na eka no edase ehime no na akwakofa weni mu nyina ba openi Eric Usumensa nchirimu a wode emansam twefoni
they are restoring power immediately. Far as we are concerned, we have no payments, all the payments we have made, some have not reflected in their system. That's what I'm saying. Some don't reflect in their system. We have a breakdown. So we showed it to the deputy managing director. I mean, we are just coming from his office. That this is what we have done. Our system, each time they come around, they say, we will say, well, no, this is it. Let's reconcile accounts. So what we have decided to do is to meet and reconcile. We are going to get a bank to extract all the payments we made in terms of the bills received. We have it here. So that we back it. When the payment goes, I'm not sure how it's captured. So there's a gap in terms of reconciliation as to what is an outstanding bill. Be that as it may, we have issued a check. We understood that we have an accumulated bill of almost 23 million. We paid a lot out of that. So what eventually is our outstanding is 12 point something. We've done a payment transfer of 13 million on the give me system to take care of this outstanding bits.
Azafonti we am Raswege Simo Penny or Husikasam and entuties so deputy clerk or Penny Eric Usumensa and at Yetin King. A fear for more and call ekuhudu a omo ekasa defa enyinama hoden sensem ehona omo de omo ade sire nyina ene se ba bi omo ne yegina sese ne yedumso na aba nti ebe ya empedifo nya kukuduru na omo mfa ne kwesi bro ne ka ne set time table bi mra na omo meche se bi asompafo ene mo benya nkane no kra mo benya no be simaduasa ana se bi adonhwere be mienu nti momo amo ho edumu a na me wo bibi ho no ma wosamo ya moye ne ntempara so na mpofiri mu na nkane ne de pre ede so a na emwa Openi Samson Ade a senior research fellow at Chamber of Petroleum Consumers so ne Sompa FM nsem jefo ne din komo and odisa nsem ye tuja
the Akufa ayesa nkania dudumadudum abai no we enya capacity problem because a back capacity dia ye wo excess capacity wo honum enfidie ni nyina so eye adwuma na yes kesem omo a omo generate nkania no de maye omo mega ama yetumi di power eye enfidie no ema nkania no ba no omo ene ye de omo ka ena omo se ye nties kana ene ye omo mfa nkania no emaye omo mfa gas no maye enti endo say the whole Ghana almost there 300 and ye edima yen abra Ghana nyina nka etimi isu eye 8 megawatt ene isu na se come be 50 no kire de enti abom se most part of the country na yedum kan ya nti eye sikasem enye generational eye problem
Abzafo weye Yera Samson Ade weye senior research fellow Chamber of Petroleum Consumers and yet in na nyina mu no opani Samuel Dubik Mahama pene kwanche for the Electricity Company of Ghana ECG ano wode atoja se Ghana fon koma nto moyem enye dumso bia na ba yo how kakra bi na ECG for enya wo mo esiesie enche bia nkane ano begina so pa
Ashanti region maintenance kakra enti eba ne sanitino ye service delivery na abafem kakra efa wakwenya iso dia pa obi a cho se omunya ya ho abotre na komo no aye edru pepeso bi akaka kredi aye beso ano nti we dey esremu enye fuel shortage ana enye fuel issue enra say ye ma enra dey be enra ne tia dey be pese kakra ni say ye plant baako na emergency gas valve is develop fault kakra na unse ba ne sa so a eye gas so show we it is sometimes precautionary measures now be taken one shey year nkofo be ka say bi a show tu pour down person be makanya no be ntisa person obi aka hu no say kania no really be say it's na best interest say be ton kania no because ton kenya who can create the nkutia enti yen share adwimu po say be power ni that people Ashanti region near that me no ka say there are certain parts of Ashanti region na you say overload wo obi kaka board no so ya to ton hu niema after who contractors are obo start ya injections no so
Abzafo we pene kwanche for that Electricity Company of Ghana no Yera Samuel Dubik Mahama ena yete nenken afei yemfamo enkomenhia himfie crop ya sante kotoko hene opem so say tutu otosumi no danso tipa eso da yepa enra otumpa sakakra ewa asantema say ya asabia hodo a aban ede ne nsa so mu ne tibia edru de aka ekire wo sa aban eye ye bitimama wo mo abia no ama nane kire ya amanfo akoma yaresane yareho yewura ekọ ednani kokodi echi ohase adi free konfonochi aban ya sabia mama no tuase eye konfonochi aban ya sabia yewura na dwumedi kese opa hontuma hill konfonochi se obri konfo a yede aya sabia ne to no ono wanyare da ne koba ne sesa ya sabia de bekọ akoto no a ono a wo sa yade ne de waba be yade o nti yemwa na ono soso yensa ne yade no otimi aboa yen ama yaresa soso otimi wie peyo eno nti no mpanifo keka eniema esieni ebuja yewura buja ma otonsa friend nananom se yemesomu en na ayasabia no a menu mienu yekoje ya wo honom no ene na eseye ma amanfo pinu a de twi de emwa bi esafata ekoi se contractors na hyase ye adwuma o konfonochi aban ya sabia enra yewura kohwe sane adwuma no esi eko ofiri honom a na ondedani ekire ye aban ya sabia wosi wo segua ene ne mpotemu eno so wokoi ekokohwe sane enema esi ekro esisi ya sabia no krade so ha wonuma sie wie ne yesese kwan bi ne generator bi e wo se omo ADCC baabi ene no so akwanwe ne se eno ayewura ekokohwe oto aso eba menhia ban ya sabia oso adwuma bi koso yewura eba behwe sane adwuma no esi ekro na ye konfonochi ban ya sabia ene opening power kasa edema aya sabia no come from pon edi nkomo kakra ema ochichi nsemu sei de kyerɛ adwuma no a contractors na ɛyɛ ne sɛneɛ ɛsi ɛkorɔ paa.
Management staff and the patients, and that's a as a PC in the man, as a sea hospital, if you're seeing very figure can you one up, as I can be now, what not to see. The son said, then you did fear your son this year, and yes, you see, hospital they get referrals from 12 to 16 weeks. The hospital is not 24/7. Every day, OPD attendance 1,000 on average from Monday to Friday. Any day, we buy a more senior virtual the hospital are in Sompa. So far, Kamemwa, the one will be hospital one. Police hospital, this medical center, which some general hospital, so many polyclinics and general hospitals. Hospital medical hospital.
Sending komo ema eye konfo anoche aban ya sabia no na ochechi nsemu de achenemra yewura ekohwe ye dwuma contractors no eye ne ho no mo se ne yesi ko na oboboso de ekire no afeyen fam nkomra se ge fiemu ebiwe honorable Eric Opoku eye mra se ge ne owo mra se ge fiemu adehia ewo sunafo South Abaton pesia so ebanu kwa yo ho nsensam a empempe na ya na otagina mu ko de ma NDC amanyuku no mra se ge fiemu ode atuga se MPP aban we di omo pa ena kuku adwuma no magunu se ya to kese o mabɔ no a wo ye ne hwea enye yi ɔde sansɛm tudwa ɛwɔ mrasebe fiem.
But President Akufo-Addo could have the courage to talk about the cocoa industry, considering the mess they have plunged that industry into. Mr. Speaker, in 2017, January 2017, we handed over a thriving, prosperous cocoa industry to Nana Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia to continue from where we left off. Mr. Speaker, 2017, their first year in office, Cocobot incurred a loss of 395 million Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, 2018, they incurred a loss of 78.2 million Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, 2019, they incurred a loss of 320.6 million Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, 2020, it was 426 million Ghana cedis. 2021, they incurred a loss of 2.4 billion Ghana cedis. Mr. Speaker, 2022, the loss was 3.2 billion Ghana cedis. 2023, it was 4.2 billion Ghana cedis. And the world market are still spiking.
For Honorable Eric Opoku ni etene nkewe ayamraswedwam and odisa ansemi etu eja yento aso Professor Stephen Ade and be atwam no na ye pene kwanche for da eye gempa anom odi atuga se Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne odi na manyuku MPP anim do no makọ 2024 elections no e December bosumin mo be kan se bibi nkoye en e wonne abayi mu na so opeso twene ho firi ho opeso ojuhuri gina nchen a wose enye yesa wontimi nyene nyina na obetimi atwe ne ho agina nche bi wo no mo a obetimi atwe ne ho de agina nchen ne nso ebi wo so oje na osomu no tirem de nti ekoba ne sa ore sansem tudwa wabra na nsemtwefo ebusa ne se utie Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na no nsem ode kotudwa o UPS a na ne nsem a wo kanyina ne so no de agya driver ni no odi meti na meti ni susu de ne obeka no driver no opa no otie ene opa wofa ene ode aye adwuma nti nyane nyina ene ebetima bɔ no so bro se we wanye wo kan ene wo no mo amfi ene no Ras Stephen Ade echese nyane nyina ene Vice President obetimi atwe ne ho ede afri ho
political jargon. This is where he is contradicting himself. You are saying one at the same time. We have an unbeaten record, which you are taking credit for, or you should be given a second. But you were just a driver's mate. You were not an active player. So he has already contradicted himself. I believe that he should go the route of the achievement of the administration, because if he undermines the achievement of his administration, he will not become a president. And I think that as the president has, through the SONA, has given him something to go on a campaign with. and hopefully he should be sitting down and dealing with the things, about 5 or 6 things we have mentioned that the president didn't talk about, and go out with a solid message.
Observe we a Professor Stephen Ade na yetene nkem rebi atwam na oda gempa ano se rector yejira we suna no pay nsemo ebo no de besom wo no e de mo senior sorry amoma ne yedu bu acha tena se de ade acha bi adwumadi asaso ato amoso ebio akosio so mo ne chinchin fidie ne de ma me Calvin e ko ba jesi simpiremu na de ye ko TV ne so yesem for penny ne yewra sante ye bo Benedict medin e de ya bo amale bia boga no pay ya mamo acha bia
21st clinic, yes, sciatica expert. Sciatica